I can almost guarantee that you are paying too much interest on your investment loans and probably your home loan too. I can probably almost guarantee it. So we've just had another rate cut. You can now get loans for under 3%. That is astonishing. So what happens when there's a rate cut? Banks either pass the entire rate or a portion of the rate onto their clients. But guess what? They're pretty reluctant to do that, and they usually hold back. So I recently saved $7,000 a year in interest. $7,000 a year. So over the next 10 years, I'm going to save $70,000 in interest. That is outrageous. How did I do it? Well, there's a little bit of a trick to it. I speak to my bank fairly frequently to say, hey, you're currently charging me this. Can you tighten that up a little bit? You know what they do? They say, oh, let me look into it. Oh yeah, we'll take off 0.002%. How's that? And I go, oh, okay, thanks. So I did something a little bit differently this time. I deal with a mortgage broker. Her name's Julie. And I said, Julie, can you have a look at this and help me out? So she did. She looked at all my loans. I got loads of loans. She looked at all my loans and she said, okay, this is what you're paying. And I'm with ANZ. This is what you're paying. I can get you better rates with some other bank, can't remember the name now, some other bank, and I can get these rates instead. So this is the choices. We can move your loans away from ANZ across to this new place, and you'll save a considerable amount of money. There's a few fees involved, but it's going to be worth it. Or I can speak to your bank for you and tell them this is what we're going to do, unless they can match it. I said, oh, let's try that first. So she did. She spoke to my bank and she said, hey guys, your fees are too high. It's absolutely ridiculous. Byron and Kath are gonna move banks unless you can match these fees. So 48 hours later, I got an email from the bank saying, congratulations, we've just adjusted your fees. And they were basically matching the other bank's fees. And Julie did the calculation and she said, congratulations, you guys are now saving $7,000 a year. It took Julie about 10 minutes to do this whole process. She didn't charge me a thing. She's not actually benefiting from it in any way. She's not even my official broker. So she didn't even get paid for that. But it took her 10 minutes and she's now saving me $7,000 a year. So how can you do this? Well, get in touch with Julie. I did. Get in touch with Julie and have a chat. She's done this already for a few of my clients, and one of my clients, she did it for. She said, you know what, you're getting great rates, just stay where you are. Other clients, she said, you know what, you can be getting better rates, speak to your bank and ask for these rates. If they don't give you these rates, I'll speak to the bank for you. And then if they still don't, then you've got the opportunity to move. But you need to take interest seriously. For me to say $7,000 a year, it's a lot of money. Even if she was going to save me $3,000 a year, I would have been stoked. $7,000. So give Julie a call. If you want Julie's number or her email address, shoot me a text, give me a call, or shoot me an email and I'll flick you her details. I'm just not going to announce her number over this video. Anyway, I hope that's helped you a little bit and given you a little bit of food for thought, because you need to take advantage of it. Thanks very much.